So here's a quick tutorial. The first thing you want to do is download the app. It looks like this. It's called Holystone. You're going to want to make sure they have a few different drones, that yours is set to the right one, which is this HS110G. So once you do that, we're going to want to turn on the power to the controller. You'll need to charge both of these. Right now there's not a lot of power on it. You'll also want to turn on the power to the drone. Once you do that, we're going to go back to the screen, and you have to connect to the Holystone Wi-Fi. It'll automatically show up, and it just connects to the drone. So once you do that, we can go back to the Holystone app. And if you have any questions, there is this quick start guide that will walk you all the way through everything. So the controller has a little nifty thing here that allows you to basically put your phone in so you can see while you're flying. So I just threw my phone in there like that. And then to fly, you can also learn to fly. Your photos and videos are here, but you can go to controls. The remote control is low. Probably the first or a couple of times you do it, you'll need to calibrate the drone, which requires spinning it horizontally and then flipping and calibrating it vertically. Once you do that, you'll be able to get the drone set up. It'll have a pop-up screen here that won't let you fly until you calibrate. Once you do that, to unlock the rotor blades, you push the controller joysticks in, and doesn't look like it's working. Damn it. Hold on. What did I miss? Oh, to pair. Sorry. So to pair, you first, before you do that, you have to push the controller stick up and down, and it automatically pairs with the drone, and then you'll have to calibrate. And then once it's calibrated, to unlock the motors, you hit these two in like this, and something should happen. I don't these things freaking. Oh, okay. So here's the calibration part. Now it's complete. Now I can unlock it, you would think. I don't know why it's not working. Let's just try and go through the calibration. We're calibrating that, and then lifting it vertical, and calibrating it there. Once it's calibrated, you can put it back down. And then you should be able to unlock it to fly. Okay, so then I push this button and it says you need to unlock to take off, in which I'm doing it. Why isn't it taking off? It might be too low of battery, honestly, but this is what you typically do to get it to take off. Why is it not doing it? I don't know. There we go. Sometimes you have to wait for it to say ready to fly. And then this button here puts it into the air. Don't kill yourself. So then these controllers, this one controls the altitude. So the left stick is up and down. And then the right stick is if you want to go forward, backwards, left, right. If you want to record, you can hit these buttons here, and it'll either record or take pictures of exactly what you're seeing on the screen. To land it, you just need to put it into a safe spot, and then you want to hit the same button that you used to take off, which is this little up and down button, and it'll land itself. That is the tutorial.